Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a clear working area and immediate access to the carpet edge. Put on gloves, safety glasses, and a dust mask. Safety matters because old carpet can hide dust and mold. Once ready, lift a corner with a pry bar or flat knife and slice the carpet into manageable 3 to 4 foot strips using a utility knife. Work toward the center so the pieces fold easily. This minimizes tearing and keeps backing intact for a cleaner pull. After cutting, you detach each strip from the tack strips by pulling at a low angle so the tacks release more easily. Once detached, roll each strip inward and secure with twine. Rolling reduces dust and makes disposal simpler. Next, cut out the padding in the same size sections and remove staples or glue. If tack strips remain, use pliers and a pry bar and work slowly to avoid gouging the floor. Make sure to keep nails and debris contained for safe disposal. Finish by scraping up remaining adhesive and staples. Use a floor scraper, then sand small rough spots. If adhesive is stubborn, apply a manufacturer-recommended solvent and allow dwell time. Test in a small area first to protect the subfloor. Repair any gouges or loose boards before installing new flooring. A level subfloor prevents future squeaks. If you run into mold or extensive damage, stop and consult a professional. Moisture issues often require remediation before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.